Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy. Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is fresh blueberry cookies, soft cookies using blueberries and white chocolate chips that my sons called them as muffin tops. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So what I have here is about 1/3 cup of frozen blueberries. We're just gonna warm it in microwave until the sugar ice from the blueberry melted. About 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Like so, and now you want to mash the blueberry. Now what you want is crack an egg into the blueberry and then mix it until completely combined. And set these to side. For the dry ingredients, this is 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and super tiny pinch of salt. We just mix it and set to side. Now this is about 1/3 cup of unsalted butter with 1/4 cup of regular sugar and 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar that we're just gonna cream together. Just gonna cream this together until completely combined. Again, this is 1/3 cup of unsalted butter with 1/4 cup, not even full of 1/4 cup of regular white sugar, granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup loosely packed of dark brown sugar. Now we're gonna cream in our blueberry mixture with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then add in your dry ingredient a little at a time and mix until completely combined again. Uh-oh, you okay? My son is jumping on his trampoline, so sometimes he's coughing. Now we're gonna add in 1/2 bag of white chocolate chips until completely combined, and then moving on to the next steps. Now using ice cream scoop, scoop 1 whole dough, drop it on rice flour and lightly coat it, and then put it on your baking pan. Repeat steps until all dough used up. Now ready to be baked. So preheated 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm choosing my cookie setting on my oven. So the time is for 12 minutes, by the way. Take out cookies and cool it on the pan for 2 minutes and then move it to the cooling rack.